Check it out, guys. It's a banana slug. I've not seen one this color before. Ever. I've seen them solid brown, or, you know, the normal yellow banana color. And then if you look right here, there's a little one right next to it. The size difference there. Chloe's leash. That's a dead leaf right there. Chloe, get out of that. Oh, you want to say hi? Say hi. But isn't that pretty cool? I've not seen one that color before. And it's little, there we go. Oh, I pulled it accidentally. See if it'll come out. Oh, wait here. It's pretty cool. Oh, she left me. Let's see. And there it goes. A banana slug. Humboldt County. I think it's shy. It shrank up so much. There it comes. There it comes. All right. There we go. Hi, little fella. Aren't you cool looking? I don't know. Things like this, I love science. Oop, it heard me shrinking back again. Isn't that pretty cool? It's pretty cool. I don't know. Fascinates me. Anyway, please like, subscribe if you come across banana slugs of different colors. Let me know. Oop, I scared it again. There's the little one right next to it, as you can see. Yeah, I know. That's pretty cool. It's okay, Chloe. Pretty cool. Hi, little fella. Alright, I'm gonna let you be. Alright, guys, I gotta get Chloe home, get her fed. Bye.